Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we're gonna be creating a Dockerized application. So let's create our Docker image from Python. Gonna use 3.7 Alpine. You can as well use a newer one. Gonna add everything and do app. Gonna specify work there. Here you have already predefined, and work there is gonna be the app. Here I actually have to. This basically gonna update and upgrade and remove the cache. Without it, I actually have some issues with BNSH. So you can specify copy. We have to copy requirements txt to require. So in the main script, I actually adjusted something. In a way, here you have connect to your MongoDB database. And if you want to use your actual database, you can just uncomment this one and it's gonna return here and gonna pass in the records, right? But we're not gonna do that in this example. We are gonna use the Docker image of Mongo. So here we specify the client, same as here. We pass in these values. Here we create a user's database, and we have to actually create like a password. We have to hash it based on this hashing requirement in this application. We create a registry collection, and we have to at least insert one record, one value in the collection. Otherwise, it won't work. We can create a Docker compose file, Docker compose YAML. If any questions, you can just ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. So services, define the app. This one is for Python. Build. We'll build everything from the command. We have to specify a command. Python yo app.py ports for Flask. The default one is 5000. Volumes. From the app, this one is really important, links, and we specify as DB. So now outside of the app, the so-called Flask, we have to add the DB. So this one, the links is gonna refer to this one. Image, gonna add Mongo latest, hostname, test Mongo DB, environment, Mongo initdb database, users. You have to have a space here. DB. set as root, root, password, pass. So service always have to be defined before. Actually in the Docker Compose we didn't have services, it can be just one indentation before. As implied, this one is like the Flask part, and this one is the image from Mongo. And here you as well actually you get the Docker image, DockerFile that we defined. So okay, let's run it. Docker system prune A, I use it so all the prior image will be deleted because otherwise it's quite huge. And it's really important to as well use Docker Compose down, because otherwise I had as well issue that port was already used. But now we have to actually use up.
One eternity later.
So yeah, now we see it actually running. Here you can see app1 Docker Compose again, just for short clarification. You have app1, right? And this one is basically the Flask, and here you see db. So this part, you can see you get all the different values. So basically here up, I can press on this one. I press login. And as you recall, we created our records here. So if I write test Yahoo and write we have test 1 2 3. You have logged in and log out. Here register and test. This one is already taken. Test. Here. Post. See? I have it post here. Log in. You can see here it's like db. You have a green and here you have the post. That's basically it. And now just one. Here you can see stopping Flask, register Mongo app. This part, and here you see like stopping the db part.